Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect your laptop to your monitor or TV. The things you'll need for this is the HDMI cord, the laptop, and the TV or monitor. The first thing you're going to need is the HDMI cord, and you are going to look for the HDMI port on your laptop or Chromebook. Then plug it in, just like this. Then make sure the laptop is on and working. First, to start the process, turn on the TV. And your screen should now look like this, and you've known you've done it right. If your screen monitor goes black, it is completely normal because the image will be projected onto the TV. So have no worries if this happens. As you can see here, I have a split screen, and in a second, I will show you how to get that split screen. Okay, you're now at this screen, as you can see here, right here. Right click, go down to the second to last one and click on it. It's going to open settings, and you'll see this screen right here since I'm already connected to two ones. Press identify to see which one is which, and then scroll down. Where my mouse is multiple displays. Click on it, and then click the option where my mouse is right sitting on. And then basically check if your screens have split screened by via trying out the mouse, seeing if you could go to different screens at two different times. Thank you for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe.